Hey guys, Alex from Straumann here, and today I want to talk about Novaloc. Are you looking for a denture retention system with more bite? Then this is for you. The Straumann Novaloc retention system for hybrid dentures offers an innovative carbon-based abutment coating with excellent wear resistance. Both the straight and 15-degree angled abutments are available in various abutment heights, covering a broad range of clinical implant situations. Its incredibly smooth carbon-based coating reduces plaque collection, and what little plaque that does collect can be easily seen against the dark surface and removed by the patient. Together with its durable PEEK matrices, the Novaloc retentive system provides a unique and long-lasting attachment performance. What does this mean? It means a happier patient with stronger holding dentures and less visits to have retention inserts replaced. If you want to know more about Novaloc, speak to your local Straumann territory manager.